Children, Sairam. Children, I hope you all are fine, safe, healthy at your home. First of all, children, I welcome to you all in your online classes. Children, I hope you all are studying, doing your work properly, washing your hands many times and helping your parents also. Children, in my last video, we have discussed about the evolution of computer and memory storage. Today, we are going to study about the following topics. Children, these are the contents: handling a mouse, and second is understanding Windows. First of all, we are going to study about the handling the mouse. Children, this is the picture of mouse. Children, a mouse is an input device which helps us to move the pointer and draw the picture on the computer screen. It looks like a rat. Next is features of a mouse. Children, you all know about the mouse. It is small in size. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. Next is children, it has a tail which is fixed to the CPU. Next is uses of a mouse. Children, you all know mouse is used to draw the pictures. Next is mouse is used to select any item on the monitor. Next is mouse is also used to play the games. Next is mouse pointer. Children, have you seen the pointer? Mouse pointer on the monitor? Yes, children, it is a slant arrow on the screen which shows mouse movement. The mouse has a ball at its bottom. As you move the mouse, the pointer moves on the screen in the same direction. Children, you can see the mouse pointer on the monitor. This is the mouse pointer on the monitor. Next is mouse pad. Children, the pad on which we move the mouse, it is called mouse pad. Children, this is the picture of mouse pad where we have to keep our mouse here. Children, mouse on a mouse pad. This is the mouse pad. This is the left button of the mouse and this is the right button of the mouse. Next is function of a mouse. Children, the main function of mouse is clicking. When we press the left button of a mouse once and release it, that makes a click sound. This is called clicking. This is the picture of clicking, how to click. Next is double click. Children, when we press the left button of a mouse twice without stopping and releasing, this is known as double clicking. This is the picture of double clicking. Next is right clicking. Children, when we press the right button of a mouse, pressing and releasing the right button of a mouse once will show the list of commands on the monitor. Children, this is the picture when we click right button of a mouse. These options will come when we click right button of the mouse. Next is dragging. To move an item on the object by holding the left mouse of a button to a new place on the screen. This is called dragging. Children, you can see on the screen, this is the window screen, and this is the desktop, and these are small icon on the desktop are called icons, and this is a desktop. Children, this is the dragging. When we single click and select any icon and drag it to the other place, this is called dragging.
Now children, we are going to study about the understanding Windows. Children, computer is a machine which cannot think on its own and require instructions from you. The most important program of a computer is operating system. And a computer has a special set of programs which manage all the jobs of computer and make it run. This is known as operating system. Children, operating system is a medium through which you can interact with the hardware using software. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Children, Windows was developed by Microsoft's Word's leading software company founded by Bill Gates. Windows is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Window is a GUI, graphical user interface, between the computer and its user. Next is features of Windows. Children, the first version of the Windows operating system was Windows 95. Then many versions of Windows have been released. Now children, the most popular Windows versions are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7. Windows 8 is the latest version. Windows 7 has become very popular because of its user-friendly environment. Children, these are the types of operating system. This is Windows XP. This is Windows 7. This is Windows 8. Children, the silent feature of Windows 7 are as follows. Number 1 is it is fast, smart and safe. Next feature is it is easy to use and learn. Next is it is used to play music and videos. Next is it support high definition games. Next is it maintains personalized work environment through multiple user support. Next feature is it supports global connectivity. Next is it searching made easier. Next and last, jumping list. Children, you can see a picture of Windows. This is the picture of window. Children, this is the first screen of the window. It is called desktop. And these small pictures on the desktops are called icon.
Children, now look at the screen on the monitor. Children, when you switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically. It is followed by the first screen of the window. This is the desktop. It contains some symbols or the small pictures on the desktops are called icon. These are icons. Now children, these are icons and this is the desktop. Now come to the taskbar. Children, the lower most bar, it is called taskbar. It is a some icons are there on the taskbar. The left hand side there is a start button and the right hand side there is a notification area. One clock is there also on the right side of the taskbar. Children, some icons on the taskbar are there. We can pin out favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. Whenever you run a program, its button automatically placed on the taskbar. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. Now children, this is the taskbar, the start button in the left hand side of the taskbar and the notification area is in the right side of the taskbar. Now this is the shortcut key of computer. Children, the computer is icon is there. You can access all the folder and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving and copying file in a computer. When you double click here, it will open. In the left hand side, it is a navigation pane. It is a collection of drive and files. These are the drives. And this is the folders. When you click any folder, these files are there in this folder. Now children, how to create the folder? Children, folder, right click on the blank area of the screen. There are many options are there: sort by, refresh, new, screen resolution, gadget and personalize. Personalize is the last option of the right click on the taskbar. When you click on the personalize, many options are there. You can change the settings from here. Either you can change the desktop background from here, Windows color, sound and screensaver. This is the screensaver option. You can insert screensaver from here. You double click here, the screensaver will come. You can enter any text or any picture from in the screensaver. Apply, then OK. Now children, again you click on the start button. How to open the Window Explorer? Right click on the start button and go to the open Windows Explorer. This is the screen for the Windows Explorer. In Windows Explorer also consists of drives or folders. When you click on any drive, these are the folders. When you click on the folder, these are the subfolders. Now children, I have taught about the screensaver. How to give the screensaver. Right click on the blank area of the desktop, then go to the personalize and set your screensaver from here. Now children, shortcuts. How to create shortcut? This is the shortcut of computer. This is the shortcut of Google. Shortcut is an icon that provides an easy and quick way to open a file. Children, the lower left corner of the shortcut icon has a jump arrow. This is the jump arrow. When you double click here, it will open. Now children, I have taught about the right click in the blank area of the desktop and the right click on an icon. Now come to the right click on the blank area of the desktop. Children, right click, I have taught about the right click. Many options will come: view, sort by, refresh, screen's resolution, gadgets and personalize. Personalize is the last option of the right click on the desktop. You can set anything from the personalize option of the right click: desktop background, window color, sound and screensaver. Now children, if we click on the right click on any object, these are the different options: open, send to, cut, copy, delete, rename, and the last option of the right click on any icon is properties. If you double click on the properties, these options will come: general, shortcut, security, detail, previous version, everything. This will show the information about these options. Apply, then OK. Now children, I am giving you some homework. I hope you all are understanding and doing your homework properly. Children, you have to do all the questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Children, fill all the blanks from the option given below. Question number 2, state true or false. Children, write T if the statement is true and write F if the statement is false. Question number 3 is answer the questions. Question number 1, what do you mean by Windows? Question number 2, what is desktop? Question number 3, what is a shortcut icon? Question number 4, write 2 uses of a mouse. Question number 5 and last, what do you understand by a file and a folder? Question number 4 is multiple choice questions. Children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.